Today is December the 26th, 2019, and I have just finished putting the last pieces on my 77 XT500 that needs to be put on to make it ready to see if it'll start. I have not even tried it, haven't even attempted. All I've done is filled it with oil, put it all together, filled it with oil, put some gas in it. Gas did run down to the carburetor and is not running out, so that's a good sign. Hopefully it's not filling up the cylinder, but I guess we'll find out. But I wanted to take this short little video and keep it. If it starts, fantastic. If it doesn't, I won't be extremely surprised, but it would be neat if it did. If it does, we'll see. Anyway, let's see what we can do here. I've shut all the noises off so we can hear if the darn thing does kick off. All right. I have not even checked it for spark. I guess I probably should have done that, but kind of a knack to these, and I don't. Been a while. I guess I better choke it. That would be a good thing. Pops! Pop! Try it again. Bad. And I swear I did not try this before I turned on the video. Strictly put it together, put gas in it, filled her with oil, and there she is. Now granted, I've got the side covers and the seat off, but I thought I might need to do some adjusting or something, but you know, I'll let her run for a while and let her break in a bit. I hope you enjoy it.